At Lumen, we connect people, their data, and applications quickly, securely, and effortlessly. And doing that is how we go and build the trusted network for AI.
To ensure we operate at the speed of change, we needed to get better connected internally.
We had data in so many systems. We had to find a way to look at all of that data cohesively.
Microsoft Fabric brings our systems together into a secure, cohesive stack and gives us a unified cloud data platform strategy so we can seize genuine engagement faster.
Fabric is streamlining our analytics. We got to see across all of our campaigns what was actually working and make real-time adjustments.
Collaborations across the organization is easier. We're sharing data quicker. We're saving time, which contributes to cost savings. Power BI and Azure ML already available in Fabric means we don't have to spin up more resources and time to configure those applications. We've been able to build quite a bit of automation that eliminated almost 10,000 hours out of the business over the last year. That's made a significant impact for us.
Fabric is helping Lumen be smarter with the data, helping us move lightning fast so that we can make better decisions faster with higher ROI. We've got an AI-connected future that Lumen helps power and Microsoft helps bring to life.